In this video, I will show you how to add Affiliate X Single Product Pros and Cons block. The Affiliate X Single Product Pros and Cons is a single block combining the features of both the Affiliate X Single Product block and the Affiliate X Pros and Cons block. These are the layouts that you can achieve with Affiliate X Single Product Pros and Cons block. Let's see how we can achieve one of these. On a page or post editor, click on Add Block icon. Look out for Affiliate X Single Product Pros and Cons block. Here it is. Now you have to click on it. Alternatively, you can also search for the Affiliate X Single Product Pros and Cons block from the search bar. And here is the block. I have also opened the same post in the new tab here, so that you will be able to see the differences in the end. Let's go back to our post. Now before we move on to the block settings that we have here, let's add some content. Let's add in the image first, so click on Upload Image. Select the image, click on Select. Let's add in the title. You can add in the description from here. Now let's add in the content for pros and cons. As single product pros and cons is a single block combined of single product and pros and cons block, you will notice that as you select pros and cons block, it will reveal the settings for the pros and cons block. You can make use of these settings to further customize the product information for pros and cons. I have made a separate in-depth video tutorial for Affiliate X Pros and Cons block. You can click on the eye icon to have access to the video, or you can click on the link provided in the description box below. Now let's select the Affiliate X Single Product Pros and Cons block as a whole, which will reveal the settings for the single product pros and cons. First is the ribbon settings. With the help of this option, you will be able to disable or enable the ribbon. You can also set the ribbon text. Simply remove the text that is already here, then you have to type in the ribbon text of your choice. Next is the general settings. You can select layout 1 or layout number 2 from under layout options. Let's stick with layout number 1. Then you can also enable the description or you can disable it. You can also enable or disable the product image. If you choose to enable the product image, you can also set the image alignment as left or right. Let's go with left. You can set the image width as inherit, or you can also custom the image width from here. Let's go with inherit once again. Then you can also select the image source as uploaded, or you can also add in the external image link here. For example, if you want to add in an image from a different site, let's say Amazon for example, then you have to go to that link first. Then you have to click on the image, right click on the image and click on copy image address. Now let's go back to our post. Then you have to enter the image link inside of the external link box, which will reveal the image over here. I will go with the uploaded image this time. Then if you want to add in a box shadow to your block, click here. You have to enable the option first. You have to select the color. After you have selected the color, you can click on adjust. And you can go through various additional settings to adjust the box shadow for your block. I'm going to disable the option for now. Next is the title settings. You can disable or you can enable the title. With the help of enable title option, then you can also add in the product title from here. Next, you can also select the product heading tag from the list of available options. You can select the title alignment from center, right or left. Then you have the button settings. Here you have to add in the button URL. The link that you add here will be linked to the button over here. For now, I'm going to add in the link to our website, Craft Plugins. I would highly recommend you to enable these two options if you are redirecting to an affiliate link. Then you can also set the padding and margin for your button. Next is the rating settings. This allows you to enable or disable the rating. If you choose to enable the rating, you can also select the rating style from star rating, which is the current style, to score box, which will display the rating in a score box style. You can also set the rating content. You can increase or decrease the value from here. Then you can also change the rating content from here. Remove the content that is already here, then add in the content of your choice. I'm going to go with the star rating this time, and you also have the option to increase or decrease the star rating size. Next is the pricing settings. You can enable pricing with the help of this option. Then you can add in the marked and the sales price if the product happens to be on sales. I'm going to disable the option for now. Then with the help of border settings, you will be able to add a border for your blog. Click here to select the type of border. Then you have to select the color from here. Select the color of your choice. You can select any color that you wish to. After which, the border will be displayed here. Then you can also select the border width. Add in a value here. Let's add 3. Then you have to click on the lock icon, which will apply the same value across all directions. I think we can increase the border width a little bit. So instead of 3, let's add in 6. And this is how it looks. You can also set the border radius following the same process. Add in the value here. Let's add 5 this time. Then click on the lock icon. This helps you to achieve a slightly rounded button. From under colors, you can choose color for different block elements and also configure the background for the block. To demonstrate the option, let me show you how to change the background color, and you can follow the same process to change the colors for the rest of the components. So you can select the background type as solid color and gradient. Let's go with background color. Click on background color option to select the background color. Then you can select the color of your choice. Next is the typography. This setting allows you to configure font settings for different block elements. You will be able to select the font family, set the font style, as well as set the font size, line height, and letter spacing for various components of your single product pros and cons block. So for example, if I want to increase the title typography, I can do that from here. I can increase or decrease the value. I'm going to let the font size be at 24. Next is spacing. You can assign margin and padding values for the block with the help of spacing settings. After you are done with all of the settings, click on Update. Now let's go back to the same post that we had opened earlier in the beginning and give it a refresh. And here is your Affiliate X Single Product Pros and Cons blog. If you have any queries, if you do not understand anything, please do let me know in the comments section below, or even better, you can directly reach out to our support team. I have added the link to creating support ticket in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in our next video.